Hey, Dewy.McDonald here at Guaranty RV. Got another brand new 2020 Arctic Fox camper. Models of 992. Let's go inside real quick, take a peek before it starts pouring down rain. So, got your nice big Fox landing, they call it. Get up into the camper here, nice step. So you got a slide out on the left here. So you got the booth right here, makes down into a bed. Gives you your refrigerator, Northwood refrigerator, full-size freezer. Your little pantry right there, put some cans and stuff. LED lights above us, AC. So over here on this side, you got your Furrion gas burner with the glass oven door, bigger BTUs, better fan hood, microwave right there. Got a corner here, kitchen. Nice big sink right there, stainless steel sink with a nice cutting board on top. Storage there, storage below us here with some drawers. More little pantry area there. Actually can hang coats in that one. So more unit there for storage. So here's your dry bath right here. So you got storage above us there, lighting, storage sink. Got your shower there, so you got a curtain that goes around. More storage there. So porcelain toilet. So a lot of room in there. Place to hang some towels. Then you walk up here. So in the corner here, I'll let him show you here in a second. But you got cabinets on both sides. You got drawers, dressers on that side. On the other side, you got a drawer. You got skylight above us. Fantastic fan. You got a nice big queen bed with nice mattress. They use quality mattresses in here, so you don't have to replace the mattress. There's a lot of guys you have to. So you got plug-ins up there for your cell phone, CPAP machine or whatnot, reading lights. So a lot of room in this camper. Like I said, slide out here, so it's made for a long box, you know, 1 ton. So if you're looking for a little, you know, something that you need to pull a boat, or like I said, a lot of guys pull a boat with them or have horse trailers or something like that, so they go to the camper mode. But it's pretty roomy for a camper. When you walk outside here, so this got built-in generator right there. It's wired inside. You can electric start. So right there, ladder getting up off the back. So if you're right here in the back, you actually have your controller panel right here where you can start your generator right here from the door. It's also got the charger for the solar up on top. Here's these steps, they fold up, so if you are going to pull something, this just folds up like that. Storage under there. So these got the electric remote jacks, you know, and you can see the bolts in this. So it's heavy duty built. You got an electric on. This is actually, yeah, electric awning come out the back with a pre-wired for a backup camera. Here's that slide out. You got access to some batteries here. Storage there. Here's your access to your refrigerator right there. Like I said, the remote control bumpers in the front for when you're loading the camper. It tells you stop. You go around this side. So here's where your propane tanks here, pre-wired for satellite. Here's where your batteries go right there. Outdoor shower, you know, if you need to wash off your boots or something. So Arctic Fox, great campers, hand built out of La Grande, Oregon. I mean, we're big on campers here, so we're a longtime dealer for Northwood. So if you're looking for a camper, fifth wheels, we also sell the trailers and fifth wheels. If you're looking for anything, toy haulers, you name it, come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.